Have you ever worked really hard on something, whether it's a project, YouTube channel or a career, and finally you'll see like nothing is really working, no results, no progress, and you feel like you just make efforts which go into a black hole? If you have ever felt like this, you're not alone. The truth is that many success stories have a long period of time when it seems like nothing is happening, and plenty of people quit this phase because our brain always needs feedback and some results. So when we don't see them, our motivation disappears very quickly. Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, and today I'm gonna share with you some tips or recommendations or methods which I personally use to stay motivated when I see that nothing really works for me. Let's go. Okay, so the tip number one, stay focused on process instead of results. I know that a lot of people, and I also was like that, they try to focus, they try to catch the results, they try to have good results, but they don't enjoy the process. So let's suppose you want to have a good YouTube channel. You put a lot of effort, you work hard, you have a dedication. So instead of saying like, I want to have 100,000 subscribers, say every single week I will make one video or some videos. It will be much better because the progress creates momentum, and as a consequence, momentum creates a good result. The second tip is very interesting for me because I was observing and analyzing my behavior and my habits, let's say, in terms of productivity and personal life, etc. The second tip is that you need to lower your daily goals. When there is no motivation, our goals might simply be too big for us. A lot of people, they try to chase a lot, they try to change their lives just for one day, of course, which is not possible. And that's why they get disappointed and very upset so fast, and obviously they don't have motivation. Instead of trying to pursue so much every single day, do some small wins. For example, study for 20 minutes, write one page of article, or learn a language for 30 minutes, 1 hour. It will be much better. So the small wins, they have bigger impact and rebuild your motivation. The tip number 3, try to treat life like an experiment. When people fail, they normally think, okay, maybe it's not for me, maybe it's too much, maybe I'm not for that, maybe I'm not enough, and so many expressions like that. Of course, it's not true. Every single person on this planet, believe you or not, has a big potential, but the majority of the people, they don't really think about this during their life. They spend the life doing some simple things, maybe which are not really significant for them, and finally they are not satisfied. So when you try something and it doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean that you fail. It means just that you tried something and okay, it didn't work, but it helped you to have insights, it helped you to have some experience, some knowledge, which you can use eventually to build something more, to make another step, to go forward. So emotional pressure should be eliminated to keep you motivated and to go forward. Okay, the next tip is also very, very crucial, and in my opinion, it can be one of the best advices you can get in your life, or if you have ever gotten this advice in your life already. So stop comparing yourself with others. So I think today is very easy to get disappointed about your life when you just easily can open any social media like Instagram, Twitter or TikTok, and you can see that many people have a lot of different things in their lives, and it looks like they succeed instantly. But the reality is that many people don't even think about how much work it took to get this life, to have abundance, to have money, to travel, etc. So the only one person in this life you should compare yourself with is you. You need to compare with yourself every single day and see how you succeed comparing with yourself yesterday or before yesterday or 1 week ago. It doesn't really matter. Be consistent and you will have good results, but remember that only one thing that can make things work for you is be better tomorrow than you are today. And the last tip which I want to give you today, and I'm pretty sure that you have heard this one many times in your life, but maybe have never seriously and consciously applied in your life to achieve something, is to have faith. We can discuss many diverse techniques, methods, practices and affirmations, etc. to implement in our daily life in order to be successful, to be loved, happy, etc. But I think that, as I said before also, the faith is the foundation on which all these things can exist. So, to have faith, you need to believe that no matter what is happening in life, good things will happen. Okay, maybe right now in this point of your life you can do this, you can do that, some projects, some job opportunities to build your career, wherever, but finally you'll see like there is nothing, literally, like nothing is happening, nothing really effective, and you don't see any results, any outcomes. And of course, in such situations, in such circumstances, you might feel yourself really discouraged and lose all your motivation. But trust me, the more you believe, truly know that good things will happen in your life, that the God's plan is always perfect. Whatever it takes, whatever it happens, finally it will bring to your life abundance, happiness, and everything you are dreaming about, everything you are praying about, everything you are deserving. And just don't lose your faith. And in the end, I would like to say that many times in my life I experienced really difficult situations, especially in terms of finances. I had many problems with my budget, and I had days when I was thinking that why I'm having this life, why I have such situations, I'm in such circumstances that I can't even maintain myself. And of course it was really hard for me to believe in such situations when you see that nothing works, there is nothing, no results, no any progress, and of course you want to give up, and it's very easy to do. But every time I remind myself that life is very short and it's very beautiful, and faith makes it even more beautiful when you don't give up, when you try to achieve your goals no matter what, when you are one of those rare persons who doesn't give up. Whatever it takes, no matter what is happening in your life right now, you really clearly understand, you comprehend that God's plan will work for you one day. And I would say that this stage in life, this phase, when nothing seems to be really good for you, when nothing works, is really hard. This is the most hardest part, but I would say that exactly in this part of life, when everything seems hard and impossible, finally magic happens. That this part trains you, this part teaches you to become better person, to become the best version of yourself. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, thank you a lot for your comments, your activity, your opinions. And I'm truly grateful for your interest in my content, because it's a huge support for me to keep growing, keep making my content better. And as always, we will see each other in the new video very soon. Take care and speak to you soon.